Joshua Holotu. Good morning.
Good morning.
What is saying?
Nyamia dom bibia wako yetinko mu de nyamia yebi.
Sure.
Yeah.
Nyezo. Divine intervention
and providence.
Nyezi.
Yeah.
Odana de chenwa. Wodi afe. Ko eno yekoda nyina ne sorry.
Of course.
Na so koda na de anchenwa. Enye for such engineer za de chen. What has Yankubo on music?
Yeah.
On unko contract biasa okoda no. On such engineer Onyano at the chair. So as I say. Enti so koda na de chenwa. Na odi asida ediama trade yampon. All right. Instantly our transfer stories,
Yeah.
Finally, I went to first Bruno Guimaraes to Arsenal. No, done. Into Arsenal and man. Barcelona so on back cancer. Julian Alvarez. Ne situation in common for Luby because as it looks like Atletico Madrid for no, ready so no business.
Yeah.
But you say Barcelona go meeting. Almost changing our brand, no. Almost ever fan City shockingly. I'm say omo epemu player.
Yeah.
Na a player be omo so Pedro Neto.
Yeah.
How come I'm turn am go relegation?
Oh, Rich. Well, you be this sound come on.
You dey baby apa so no.
No, on say with the Pedro Neto one no. And no me dey betuja. Say Pedro Neto he's being looked for by a number of clubs. International City for they be joining race no. But originally, me catch was a Liverpool for no, they had their eyes on a player no. But Chelsea see they will not allow the player to leave for anything less than 70 million pounds. And I'm looking at it from that angle. Say Chelsea for ninya surprise no for player now. They will consider and for consideration. No, yes, be on player nako. They will consider selling the player. But Rich, I think the most important thing to discuss is about Chelsea for no squad depth, because Chelsea needs squad depth. Oh, my Pedro Neto fit Chelsea. Oh, man, in free club because Xabi Alonso has the player in his plans. Indeed, there has been no communication. Say Pedro Neto and part of the plans, right? And Yentimin Kase at this point, no, or your player Chelsea for Omudia to just say he is up for sale. No. So the only thing that will push Chelsea to sell the player, no, yes, say Sikana Kofone de Bebano. And what's through you now? City for no, I think they are averaging something about around 81 million pounds. On person before brand no.
So price,
and they have even exceeded, price, of course, they have exceeded. But player bit me about that position amo because already Enzo Maresca has even a very good relationship with their player no. Wabra Chelsea. So that is the dynamic from Pedro Neto as well. But Rich, I think Bruno G in common was here doing kakra. Was here this kakra. Do you know why? On say no, people didn't believe that Newcastle for now rejected 75 million pounds no. Now more for GD say, oh, the deal was done already. And now Omo trying to say Bruno G ebefi a Newcastle akwako in the medical. But interestingly enough, Newcastle for no Omo rejected deal no. Omo rejected 75 million pounds no. They rejected it. Rich, Newcastle for no say one of the reasons why they didn't like Arsenal for approach for the player was that they were not communicating directly with them. They were communicating with agents. It's not only the agents, only the communication with Newcastle agents for so. And they didn't understand why. Because as of June, and even before that May, now discussions around the price of the player was around 40 million pounds. And now Newcastle for GD say, Senkamu pay a player, come directly to us. Come and negotiate, come and ask for the player. Then we will have that direct contact with you. But that's now for no, we're passing through agents, for which reason we don't even understand. But Rich, I think one of the things that has helped Brantiano to move successfully and say, oh yeah, Nadrin say, oh yeah, stubborn. He reported to training Ewa Lamanga, Wabra preseason nasi. And Okono, of course, not in because he needed to make it clear to Newcastle for say, oh yeah, Obeko. But no person ever to say Alexander Isak Diano. Alexander Isak Diano, the player refused to train until say Newcastle for no year or Madrid said they will sell the player. So Bruno G decided to keep a very good composure, keep a very good behavior, but at the same time, no, letting them know say why not Why not doing that? So person call us now because that's the only chance he will get to win titles. Because the Newcastle like opinion from Matthias Jaisla obeji adwuma from Eddie Howe nsem no ono so person yet be possible to keep the player because he's the club captain. Yeah. But as it stands right now, if the player wants to go rich, what can you do about it? You can't do anything about it. It's now 75 no more rejected here earlier in the day, no. Rich, the news coming this morning is that they have accepted that same 75. They have accepted it. They have no choice. It's then player no so obeko. Why not doing so obeko? You have to leave the player. Let him go. But Rich, what is going to be Bruno G's input? Our Arsenal, Sisia. Because Arsenal, no show midfield, Sisia, it is very stacked. Odegaard, woho, Declan Rice, woho, Mars Lewis Kelly, Jinaho, Eberechi, Ezemu, woho, Martin Zubimendi. Sometimes Mikel Merino, Krant, Mibabe, midfield, ho. So you are asking yourself, how does Bruno G fit into this Arsenal conversation, this Arsenal setup? Rich, I think one of the most impressive midfielders English Premier League is Bruno G without a doubt. And say Arsenal at this point, if they've been able to get the player to come and join them, even if they are not competitive or even if they didn't stand a chance to win the Premier League this season as defending champions, automatically they become one of the top contenders. Now let's say Bruno G be join Newcastle no in the 2021-2022 season. No bisa na sembi. No bisa ni say where is he very comfortable playing? Or say no Nhyira be number 8. But at that point now all Kasano. At the house so Uncle Bon number 6. Because that was the place where he was needed the most. In 2021-2022 season now, he played most of that season in the number 6 role, playing over 8,000 minutes in that role. And Ono Ankasa ji to me say, "Enye ho mpo na nko peso obo. Nhyira obebo 8." But obo 6 no, when you and he gave Eddie Howe the result he needed. Rich, right after Sandro Tonali signed for Newcastle, no, Eddie Howe shifted player no call number 8. Then he became very comfortable with that role because I want to nanko opeso obo. So moving from number 6 to number 8, now you liberate the player to play the kind of football that he has to play. And Rich, when he played over there, he did so well for Team IFN in Newcastle. And so share your YouTube and your Facebook now. The numbers are rolling over there. You will see the kind of performances are player made down the D for Newcastle United while he was playing in that number 8 role. Baby, I'm not on say Obowa Yebano. So what in common So look at the Bruno Guimaraes goals and involvement by season from 2021 to 2025. 2021 aboard number 6 no. His goals and assists were 5 goals, 1 assist. From 2022-23 season, Airbano, it kept on increasing. So from 9 goals and assists to 15 goals to 11 goals to 14 goals. So once he moved from the 6 to the 8, no, he became comfortable and he was playing. Rich, Arteta will use this player in various kinds of formations. The first type of formation is always on double pivot. Enti, Ebane say, Abian Fifi, how you get Guimaraes and yet Declan Rice. Enti Declan Rice, no, Ebe City as 6, no Ajibon every defense, when then he progresses it forward. While Bruno Guimaraes, no, contributes to the attack. Enti there's one destroyer. Then there is also one box-to-box midfielder in that setup. And you get Bruno Guimaraes to do that comfortably for you. In situations player bit say Declan Rice opera and I say Ninaine Tuchimakakra, you can get Bruno G in the lone 6. A bit Mazusa performance, no, collects the ball from the defense, progresses it forward. Then there's a double 8 in the Berechi Eze and Odegaard to help carry the ball forward and create more chances. While Bruno Guimaraes, no, that's the sitting. Then you can also get him in a very physical game. Arteta bet you sacrificing one playmaker, Abia Odegaard. No ball in FIFA on Declan Rice, Matthias Zubimendi, and Bruno Guimaraes. Because Otini ball right midfield one suman. So look, Rich, this is a player who has now automatically become very competitive with. He's not just ABA or 6, ABA Hong Kong robot. He can play 6, he can play 8, he can play attacking midfield as well. In the Arsenal for me, this is a very good midfielder that they have got in their setup.
Okay.
And Rich, I honestly think Bruno G will become one of the most spoken about players because in the statistics we are and I'm here. Forward pass accuracy in the Premier League last season per 90 minutes 71%. 71% forward pass accuracy. Now,
or the pass in
71%. Even Declan Rice was at 62% just last season alone. So this tells you, say, he's not just a one-sided player, and I know why. Now Arsenal for no, so that is a very good thing with Bruno Guimaraes, and I think it's a very good deal for Arsenal. It's Arsenal for no ready. Maybe they will have to get maybe one more addition at the left flank because say Leandro Trossard ko. Martinelli is reported say Nhyira obeko. And now Vinicius Junior no still there's a standoff, we don't know, and then Amokoye meeting no Real Madrid. In the know say Real Madrid for no, they are going to try and convince the boy. And yes, Arsenal for no why crowd up. They want to bring the guy to come and help. And if you get those two Brazilians in your team, they are rich. I think Arsenal will become very competitive, both in the domestic league and the Champions League.
Or Boise, or true and true Real Madrid fan.
Yeah.
Now, no person who was TV Real Madrid for.
What's to say?
I said, though, Madrid is in my DNA, but they don't respect players at all.
No, sir.
I said, especially the old man, Florentino Perez.
But when it comes to player negotiations,
I'm a true supporter of Real Madrid. I said, if Vinicius Junior were to be my brother, I would advise him to go to Arsenal for the money, period.
That's a good point. But I'm saying in our contract negotiations, Rich, and at this point, no, we cannot know fully what is in for the player because with every new contract comes the terms, the conditions, Nhyira player Nhyira club performance-based clauses. Until I get the point, say Arsenal for no, and even Real Madrid for no, are not really happy with what is going on. But until there's a resolution, just wishes.
And then meeting, I think they can resolve them.
No, they need to resolve it
because Matano and
yes,
player no point. Real Madrid as a club on so a point.
Yeah.
Because already Vinicius Junior, the demands in Libya, Real Madrid feels look, alien to yen,
yeah,
ho, yen, Sanyamana would demand yen, right? Good. Now, Real Madrid, and so between a castle, okay, would demands in Libya, Ebia 30 now open yen in Nam, right? But you better way, my dear, maybe I change him. Ardon, Sanyama, Yamani now, one number of games with this Sanyamana. What do you mean the Sanyamani now change him? So I bring to the bit you are quite good do.
Why not?
Oh, did you come near him?
Rich, we will see what will happen from here, sir. I think after some meeting, we better be. But before I go, no, Rich, Mo Salah are completing a transfer to Trabzonspor.
Yeah,
Turkey. Now, and no could draw on Rich and Yasem Kitwa. And you know the Turkish people, how they love their football. Oh, for football, they will take it from
me. Too passionate.
They are too passionate about football. And then, no, Mo Salah, free Premier League, no, Wabra or truncating a deal in a 2-year extension with Arsenal, Liverpool now. He's going to play with Mantebiti say Andre Onana. Trabzonspor. Now, what Trabzonspor and Kasana, they are not really a very popular side in Air Turkey. But Usha in the league last season, they have managed to keep up some very, very good performances. In fact, we are third in Tomeko Europa League playoffs. And I think the inclusion of Mohamed Salah, one of the things I was say, and say, not only Besiktas for it didn't come. Now, only Nentia went to Besiktas. Mohamed Salah can say, pay 50% of the revenue from jersey sales. Besiktas for Wabra or joining Omono. Besiktas for the they will give him only 25%. And Mohamed Salah can say, and Sadi Amin Kubim.
Okay.
So in Kubim. So Besiktas, no, perhaps they could have given the player that particular deal for him to come and play for them. but Mohamed Salah no so no and yes when we in the football no Turkey, he still knows that his brand is very relevant and say oh ko baby omu league no they value it very well and their omu DH omu passion no was ye pana. You know that jersey sales will go up. You need to make sure that you maximize a lot of money from there. And you know, Mohamed Salah movement no, it's not just about football.
Okay.
It's about the preservation of the brand. And I think so we will see a lot from Mohamed Salah in Trabzonspor. But of course, there's quite a cultural shock because you say take for no expectation was ye pan. But Mo Salah no, her performance I done with Liverpool last season. Just 7 goals and 7 assists in about 27 Premier League games. But there could be some pressure because Trabzonspor they want to compete, they want to do well. Into the share rich, but transfer stories in the baby
Sure.
It's maybe a channel will continue with those ones. Man United for the Missimo Tong Joshua Zegzi.
How about Eddie?
No, it is a say Munyan Toby no after more Tong players.
Oh, say any risky. No. For all you know, ne be cry you play in mind. Yenton Zegzi Fanny Fio, near first can be so some. Because players in the winding. Upper quality are just over 800. What I say, the Ebia, that is the decision of the club. Yenton Yenny be film. Near books in Munya, a Union Pekka, a top quality bimrana on a summer mind. Ever in some of 4.4 from na Yenya Pomedion Como Kakra, Yenis Cement Vita 4, and a Edin Commodrona, Usia Bontia. Sweet in so deep in the funny again. Now that Ganya church and reason Tiama for the side in the Mai. Now a drone some unto Bia with the Tiam Comovia. Romo Bebia, a third Kotobi. Now a babu, Papa, good morning.
Good morning.
Patron, I want to say,
I'm out on rich.
Oh, and the power of the answer.